Hello everyone, it's me Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. I received a phone call about an hour ago. The SA from the LV boutique in the Galleria contacted me, said they got a new truck in, and she know, of course, there's some items that I will be interested in. She showed me a few bags in the back. I wasn't interested in them, but you just never know what you're going to find. My husband has the kiddos at the mall by the house, so he told me to go ahead and come up here and just take a look. I am going to bring you guys with me. Of course, I am going to stop by YSL as well, but let's see what LV has to offer today. Okay, it's a beautiful day. Trying something new in 2022. We are purchasing Boss bags. It is Boss bagging season. Let's go. Okay, so I am out of my work outfit. I just have my little sportswear on. Of course, my brand. And we are walking up, and let's see what we can find in the Galleria. So it's not packed. Of course, it is Monday, a weekday, which is good for me. And it's so crazy because I miss my kiddos. And they're at the mall. They're growing up, doing their own little shopping. And I'm here in the Galleria looking around without them. But hey, it is what it is. My free time, I deserve it. I literally never find anything in Neiman Marcus. I don't even know why I came in here. So let's see what we can find. Okay, I am in Neiman Marcus, and this is some of the St. Laurent shoes they have. These are cute. They really don't have a lot of stuff in here. These are the boots. These are cute as well. Okay, this is Speedy. Okay, so now Fendi is doing the little heel thing. Look, guys, Chanel. Okay, so this is a medium size. Okay guys, I just had the best experience in the Chanel store, and no, I could not record everything. He just let me record the size medium bag, and I most definitely followed the policies there because they do not play at all. But I do actually now have a sales agent. I'm just excited. I can't tell you guys until I actually get the bag, and that's if I get the bag. But I did speak to him, and Chanel is having a new release on January the 18th. And so he got all my information. He has already texted, guys. I want to start off with a Chanel 19 size medium. I want a black bag, so I am so excited. Getting ready to walk into YSL. It just seems like my mask is crooked. I don't know. But I'm just so happy, so blessed I was able to actually get that experience at Chanel. That's exactly what I wanted. So let's see what we can find in YSL. Alright, guys. YSL. So here is the blue puffer in a medium. So here's the blue. I don't know. Okay, so here is the college bag and the envelope. Okay guys, here is the medium envelope, black on black. So cute, but I need my pop-up gold. I still haven't let this beauty go. So cute. So gorgeous. Tell me what you think. And this is the college. I am loving this. This is the medium size. And so this is considered small, right? This is a medium and that's a large. Okay, so this is a dark beige envelope.
Can I grab this one for 2 seconds? I'll bring it right back.
Okay. This is a large. And these are medium. This is so beautiful to me. I love this color as well, but I have the puffer. Need a suede already. So I have the suede already in a similar color. This beige is gorgeous in this envelope. So, as a crossbody, this is too big, guys. This is a large. It's still Boston bag season, but I love to sometimes switch mine to crossbody. So, this is gorgeous. Okay guys, I am so torn. What do you think? This is, oh man. This college is something serious. The envelope is so beautiful. And I still have this on only because of the color. But like I said, I have it in suede already. But I don't know. I have no earthly idea. Okay guys, I am so torn, but I'm so excited. Let's see what else they have in here. There's that beautiful suede, beautiful puffer, and look at that blue. The blue is nice. It's nice. So gorgeous. These are so pretty too. These are like a suede as well. These are cute. Matches this bag. Very cute. I like those. This green is nice. It's dark green and that navy. I am honestly so torn. Okay guys, so this is the gray. So I don't have a gray bag. So I'm thinking about getting the gray. So cute. Okay guys, I am still here. I have to stop by LV and then I'll be out of here because I'm already tired and I'm ready to get home to my babies. They're still at the mall, but I just miss them. So next stop is LV. Okay guys, I made it to LV and this is where I'm going to go in and see what I can find, and I will let you guys know. I will send some pictures and videos over of what's inside. And that's the line. Let's go. They're not adjustable, yeah.
Because if you're going to put the regular strap, it's going to be clean.
I need a green. Oh, I had a cute little outfit for that green. This is the sack plait, the petite sack plait, guys, in the sunflower color. Adjustable strap. They should have had the adjustable strap on the Alma BB, but this is it.
I like both of them.
The inside is so cute. Okay guys, I am done. I have did my shopping for the day. I need to head back on my side of town because I live like 45 minutes away and the traffic is horrible. The traffic is going to be so horrible, so I'm trying to hurry up and get back to my car so I can get home to my kids and my husband. Like, I just kind of hate shopping without them. I miss them. So let me get up out of here before it gets too packed. See you guys later. Thank you for tuning in, and I enjoy this vlog because I love shopping and I love being able to share with you guys. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at marquitalvluxury. If I did purchase some items, I'll be sure to do an unboxing and it will quickly follow. You know your girl did purchase some things. So just like always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace out. Until next time.